So if the job offer happens faster than you expected, and for all intents and purposes, it is something that you do want, and you're going to accept that offer because it is actually what you want, you just kind of wanted a longer job search, then a couple of things that you can do: negotiate a different start time or start date for that role so that you have time to enjoy yourself before you jump in. You can also give yourself 3 months to settle into that role, and then begin a probably not as aggressive, but maybe a passive job search to see what's out there, to see what ideas come to mind, what you could be working on that will prepare you for the next role in the career journey that you're looking to create.